Get ready to be amazed, cause this might just most satisfying is officially taking over the internet. Stop scrolling right now. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that the engineering behind it is brilliant. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes this so unique compared to ordinary items is that it makes your daily routine effortless. No more wasting your hard-earned money on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly super practical for everyday use for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity while stocks last. Get ready to be amazed, cause this might just most satisfying is officially taking over the internet. Stop scrolling.